How to fix PayPal, we're having trouble making sure it's you. Getting the error, we're having trouble making sure it's you on PayPal. Here's how to fix it step by step. So start by clearing your browser cache and cookies. So to do that, click on the three dots at the top right of your screen. And then from here, go ahead and look for settings. And then on settings, head over to privacy and security. And then select delete browsing data. And then make sure to clear your browser cache and cookies. This removes old login data that may block verification. Second thing you can do is to use a different browser or device. Switch browsers or devices. If you're on mobile, try logging in via desktop. Third, disable VPN or proxy. Turn off VPN or proxy. PayPal may block mass IP addresses for security reasons. Fourth, check two-factor verification. Make sure your two-factor verification is active. Update your phone number or authenticator app if codes are not arriving.